Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find your FPL team ID on your mobile. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to open your browser on your mobile because it's not possible in the app itself. So go ahead and simply open up your browser and then in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on this three line icon and select fantasy from here. So once you're inside the fantasy section, tap on pick teams. Now scroll down and then tap on game week history. Here you will then be able to find transfer. Go ahead and tap on transfer history and then this will open up your history page. Now to know your team ID, you will have to go ahead and tap on this URL and beside entry, you will then be able to find this number. This number is exactly your team ID. And that's it. That is how you can quickly find your FPL team ID on your mobile. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.